Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to report an issue on your Apple Map on your iPhone running iOS 18. So if you've been traveling around with Apple Maps in your car or on your bicycle and you've noticed an issue with it, then there's a way to report that issue to Apple. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up your Apple Maps. Next you want to go ahead and tap on the profile view here at the bottom right. Now from this menu you want to go ahead and tap on reports. And now here you can basically report a street, a place, or a route issued by tapping on report. So to report an issue, go ahead and tap on report a new issue from the bottom. Now from here you can go ahead and report all these. So you can report maybe something is missing, maybe Apple Map hasn't shown a street which you have seen. You can report a street issue, maybe the speed limit of that street is not correct, so you can report that to Apple. Maybe you can report a place issue. You can report a route issue, or you can report an incident. So in this example, let's report an incident. So here I've seen a crash, so I'll go ahead and report a crash. And I'll basically tell Apple that there's been a crash here. I can put more details here. I can add a photo, and then I can go ahead and submit that to Apple. Now once that's submitted, Apple can have a look at your report. And if they receive similar reports like yours, then they can put this up on the map to report it to others. This is a similar thing which you have seen on Google Maps. So there you go, that is how to report an issue on Apple Map on your iPhone running iOS 18. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.